Hello YouTubers, thanks for checking out this video from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you guys some analytics from my channel. So the shocking thing that I've recently discovered was that the majority of my subscribers, so here is my stats for the last 28 days, got about 74,000 views, and the majority of it, 97.4%, are not from subscribers, and only 2.6% are from subscribers. So this was a huge shock to me that I just learned that my growing number of subscribers aren't even watching my videos. So that's the funny part. So you might want to take a look yourself in the analytics. Go to subscription status. So let me look at my lifetime. Now it's about the same, about 2%. So where are these viewers coming from? If it's not coming from my subscriber base, so you can go to traffic source, and you can see from here, this gives you a overview of where are your viewers coming from. So right here, YouTube search, 2/3 of my views come from directly from YouTube search. So this just random people searching for keywords, and then my video pops up, and I actually get a pretty high click-through rate. And external is like Google, outside of YouTube, suggested video. So let's go to my subscriber notification, views from notification and email sent to your subscribers, 0.5%. Even if I have 0 subscribers, I'll still get about 70,000 views a month based on all these other sources, which means good keyword research and using good keywords for your video, title, description, tags, things like that. And I have another video that talks about how to find profitable keywords, and you can check that out below this video description. And go check out your channel too. See how your subscribers, how much of your subscriber base are actually watching your video. Alrighty, that's all for this video. I hope it gave you some ideas, and let me know if you guys have any questions, tips, suggestions, comments. Leave it down below, and be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more tips, tricks, tutorials on YouTube and internet marketing. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.